What's going on, everybody? I got a package in today, and it looks like it came from, oh, let me turn that around for you. From the Great North, Canada. And it's from my buddy Lou over at PowerModz. He wanted to send me a little care package. And I opened up the box, but I haven't checked inside yet, so I don't know exactly what's in there, but I have an idea. And I have a really good idea of what's in there. But let's see. Like I said, it just came in today, so I'm excited to see what we got. Like I said, I cut the box open to kind of keep it from being all awkward and stuff with me moving everything around. And don't worry, Lou, I'm gonna censor all that stuff so nobody gets our information. Although I'm sure it's all on Google, whatever. Anyways, oh, I turned it the wrong way. What a freaking idiot. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. Hey, okay. So first off, we got copious amounts of PowerModz stickers. Appreciate that, brother. I'm gonna be putting that on the trailer and the ATV and everything. So there we go. Look at that, PowerModz.com. Make sure you check them out. You see, they carry all kinds of, well, we're about to see a taste of what they carry. So first off, we got this beautiful RJWC exhaust for the Honda Rubicon. Look at this thing. Oh, man. That is pretty. That is really pretty. I don't even want to scratch it up. So let's see. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, yeah, it looks good. This thing's got a little weight to it, too. That's freaking awesome. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate that. Let's see what else we got. We got the full pipe. So that'll be nice. I know I just put a big gun exhaust on it, but hey, RJWC, they always heard they're really good quality. We got the parts. So let's see, let's set that to the side. Let me scoop this stuff over. Get all this crap out the way. All this packaging material. Alright, so we got the, let's see what exhaust. This is the RJWC Mud Edition Series. So thank you, sir. That looks freaking amazing. Dang, that looks good. Set that there real nice and be careful with that. Perfect. Like I said, we got the full pipe. Ah, beautiful. Get the rest of this packaging material out of here. Hey, there we go. We got us a PowerModz shirt too. Look at that. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Hopefully it's extra medium, like I asked. XL, that'll work. We can make that work. Appreciate it, buddy. And again, if you want to order anything off PowerModz.com, talk to Lou Skibo. Sorry if I butchered your name, buddy. That's how I pronounce it. But there's his information. And like I said, they carry a bunch of stuff. They got exhaust. They got this mud tugger rope. It's like a kinetic energy rope that he sent me. Can't wait to try this out. I know we got the tiger tail, but every once in a while you want to tug a little bit more than you want to pull on the tiger tail. So that'll be nice to give this a shot. And then we got some soft shackles. Thank you again, buddy. I've been wanting to get some of these, so it'll be awesome to try some of these out. I'm excited to try it out. But of course, the biggest thing is I'm excited to put on this thing and see how this thing sounds and see if it'll, maybe we'll be able to idle underwater this time for real, but I don't know. No promises, no promises. But thanks again, Lou. This is awesome. I mean, this is really awesome. I really appreciate you reaching out and sending this stuff. And like I said, everybody, if y'all need any stuff, make sure to check them out at PowerModz.com. And I mean, order you some stuff up. He's a great guy to deal with, and I mean, he's just great. They're great people to deal with. So check them out on YouTube also, PowerModz on YouTube. I'll put links for everything in the description and annotations and everything. But like I said, thanks again, buddy. I appreciate it. Can't wait to get this exhaust on. I'll make a video of that too, so everybody can see what it looks like and hears like and sounds like. Hears like freaking idiot. All right, cut it. That's it. We gotta go. What's going on, fellas? So I got a package in today from our buddies up north, PowerModz. Shit.